Mars has seasons, rivers, and lakes. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is named after the Roman god of war. The planet has attracted people since ancient times. The ancient Greeks called it Ares, after their god of war. Ancient Egyptian priests called it the Red One. Humans have robotically explored Mars since the 1960s. Mars rotates on its axis every 24.6 Earth hours. The axis of rotation is tilted 25.2 degrees. This gives Mars seasons similar to those on Earth. The hemisphere tilted closer to the Sun experiences summer. The hemisphere tilted away gets winter. Mars' orbital distance is 142 million miles. A year on Mars lasts 687 Earth days. An individual season can last up to 199 Earth days. There are two moments each year called the equinoxes. When they happen, the hemispheres receive equal illumination. Mars has a far thinner atmosphere than Earth. As a result, the planet traps less heat near its surface. The temperatures can rise to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and drop to minus 225 degrees Fahrenheit. On average, the surface of Mars is minus 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars has polar ice caps. The northern cap is called the Plenum Boreum. The northern cap is called the Plenum Australe. Water ice has been found under the caps. Liquid water can't exist on the planet's surface. However, its atmosphere may have once been dense. It could support large oceans of water. There is evidence that Mars has lakes and rivers. However, the atmosphere was altered. It's believed the planet was struck by a large body. A large portion of its atmosphere was ejected into space. It was once believed life existed on Mars. In 1877, Giovanni Schiaparelli saw grooves on its surface. They were too straight to be naturally occurring. It was suggested they were canals made for irrigation. In the 20th century, more powerful telescopes appeared. The straight lines turned out to be an optical illusion. The earlier claims of life on Mars were discarded. The northern hemisphere consists of low-lying plains. The crust there can be just 19 miles thick. The southern hemisphere is mainly highlands. They are studded with many extinct volcanoes. The crust there can get up to 62 miles thick. This difference could be caused by internal magma flow. It could also be the result of a major impact. Both hemispheres are covered in iron rust dust. It gives the planet its red color. Mars has the solar system's largest volcano. Olympus Mons is 16 miles high. It is 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The base of Olympus Mons is 374 miles across. Its peak is so massive that it curves with the surface of Mars. Scientists have found recent evidence of volcanic lava. This suggests Olympus Mons may still be active. Mars also has the largest known canyon, Valles Marineris. It spans about 2,500 miles. It is up to 4.3 miles deep. At its widest, it's 200 miles across. It can stretch from the east to the west coast of the US. Mars has 2 small and irregularly shaped moons. Phobos and Deimos were discovered in 1877. They are named after the sons of the god Mars. The moons could have formed in the asteroid belt. Then, they would be captured by Mars's gravity. They also could form from the debris flung up from Mars. Each century, Phobos gets about 6 feet closer to Mars. In 5 million years, it could crash into the planet's surface.